Always Believe House. Oh, today we're going to rock and roll because we're going to do Staar Review 26. Ho, 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 ho. So a magical whiteboard appears and let's start rocking and rolling. Today we're going to go over the front. Tomorrow we'll do the back, okay? This will change a little bit next week on the next Staar Review. So get ready for that, okay? Number one, we're going to graph these lines. We're going to graph x equal 3, okay? Hopefully this week they work out. So x equal 3 will go through the x-axis at 3. It will not cross y, will it? So it's going to be a vertical line through the x-axis at 3. And remember, this is an undefined slope, isn't it? If it's vertical, undefined, it's flat at 0, right? Number 2, let me change colors here. If I do 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, I get my x-intercept. 6 divided by 2 is 3. If I do 6 divided by negative 3, I get negative 2. That's my y-intercept. Remember, the slope is negative a over b, so it's going to be negative 2 over negative 3, which is 2 negatives makes a positive, so our slope's 2 over 3 in it. Okay? So let me graph those. So I'm going to graph the x-intercept at 3, the y-intercept's at negative 2, and notice I'm going up 2 over 3 to get these dots and reverse it and go backwards, and I have graphed this line. Y'all are getting pretty good at graphing these, okay? This is not hard, you just need repetition. And on the next one, our slope is 1 over 3, and our y-intercept is negative 3 in it. So it's going to go through negative 3. And the slope is 1 over 3, up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3, down 1 over 3, down 1 over 3. So this is going to be a funky looking triangle, okay? This is going to be an obtuse triangle, isn't it? Okay? So the shape formed by the intersections of the 3 is an obtuse triangle. Okay? And let's just trace over where the lines cross. One dot's here, a dot's here, and our triangle looks like this, doesn't it? Okay. Oh, okay. Now then the base of the triangle is this edge right here. Okay. You want either a vertical line or a horizontal line, right? So the base of the triangle is 2. Okay. And the height of the triangle is from this dot back to the base, which is going to be right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The height is going to be 6. And I will let you answer the rest of these on your own, okay? Let's go to number 9. Oh. Okay, number 9. Let's go through here. Our A is 1. Remember that pattern. It's going to go over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4. Our B is negative 6 and our C is 5. Okay, and we're going to find our vertex. It's negative B over 2A. So my B is negative 6 and my A is 1. 2 negatives makes a positive, and I'm going to get 3. And remember also, this is my axis of symmetry, right? So 3 is going to go right here in the middle of the vertex, okay? Now then, let's get the ordered pairs. So x squared minus 6x plus 5. Let's go to our calculator. I'm going to hit Control-T to get rid of the table. Delete, delete, delete. Think of something bad to get out of your thoughts. And then it's x squared minus 6x plus 5. X squared minus 6x plus 5. So I'm going to hit Tab. That gives me my f1x. And then x squared minus 6x plus 5. Did I do that right? X squared minus 6x plus 5. I'm going to hit enter. And I get my parabola. Now then I'm going to hit Control-T. And that gives me my table, and my vertex is right here at the 3 in it. So these are the numbers I need to put on the table, okay? Okay, so we're going to go through here. So this is going to be 2, 1, and this is 0, negative 4, negative 3, and then 3, negative 4, 4 is 0. So this is nice and tight in here. It gets all of the numbers we need in here, okay? So 1, 0 is right here. Okay, and remember my y-intercept is going to be this in it. It's going to be my C. So it's going to go through the y-axis at 5. And then at 2, negative 3. At 3, negative 4. And this is my minimum, right? And then remember the dots form that pattern, right? Over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4, every single time. And then this right here would be my parabola. Okay? So remember, if you went over 1, you would go up 1 from the vertex, over 2, up 4 from the vertex, right? Okay? Now then, I'm going to let you answer 13, 14, 15, 16. Remember, for the range, you would draw a bar at the bottom or top of the parabola, and your range is going to be all of the y's that are greater than that, right? Okay. Now then, I'm going to answer the bottom 3 right here. So on number 18, we're going to distribute this negative. This is the same thing as last week, wasn't it? Okay, I'm going to have 3x squared plus 6x minus 3, then minus 2x squared minus x plus 5. Then I'm going to underline the common terms. Double underline the x's, triple underline the constants. I'm going to have 3 terms in my answer. Okay, so 3x minus 2x squared is 1, or just x squared. 6x minus 1x, or minus x, is a plus 5x. Minus 3 plus 5, minus 3 plus 5 is a plus 2. This is my answer right here, okay? Just sign, number, letter, exponent, okay? And then lastly, number 19. We're going to do the full method. Okay, so we're going to do 3 boxes. First, outside, inside, last. And remember, you add or subtract the outside and inside. And then first, last, first, last. So we're going to multiply the first term. So 3x times 2x is 6x squared. Positive 4 times negative 7 is a negative 28. And then do the arches. 4x times 2x is a plus 8x. 3x times negative 7 is a minus 21x. 8 minus 21, you got more 21s, it's going to be negative 13x. That is my answer. And then on number 20, okay, you're going to graph this. We've been doing this since August. You're going to hit Control T and then get the table, and you're going to copy these numbers, write down the answers here, and then the one that's a root will be the one that gives you a 0, right? Have an awesome day. Thank you for staying with me today. Get this done. This is a grade every week. Make sure you turn them in. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Remember, you are amazing. You are created to do wonderful things, and you are awesome.